Hello everyone and welcome to Roadmap. So we are continuing with the topic Forest and Wildlife Resources Part 2. And if you like the video, don't forget to click on thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe for more video updates and you can also give your suggestions in the comment section below. Topics to be covered are introduction, flora and fauna in India, causes of depletion of flora and fauna, conservation of forest and wildlife in India, types and distribution of forest and wildlife resources, community and conservation. Now, what IUCN is exactly? It is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, and it is an international organization working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. You can see the symbol of IUCN at the right hand side in the upper corner, and its headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland. Its CEO is Inger Andersen, and its founder is Julian Huxley. It was founded in 1948 in Fontainebleau, France, and it has got number of employees which is 1,100, and the type of business it is international organization, and number of volunteers are 11,000. Now let us understand the different categories of existing plants and animal species based on the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Now it is classified as normal species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species and extinct species. Let's look at it one by one. Coming to the normal species, species whose population levels are considered to be normal for their survival are considered to be normal species. Example of such species are cattle, sal, pine, rodents. Coming to the endangered species, these species are which are in the danger of extinction. So the survival of such species is difficult if the negative factors that have led to a decline in their population continue to operate. Now the example of such species are black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, lion-tailed macaw, and Sangai, brown antler deer in Manipur. Now coming to the vulnerable species, these are the species whose population has declined to levels from where it is likely to move into the endangered category in the near future if the negative factors continue to operate. And the example of such species are blue ship, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin. Now coming to the rare species are those with small population may move into the endangered or vulnerable category if the negative factors continue to operate. And the example of such species are Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox and hornbill. Coming to the endemic species, these are the species which are found in the particular areas, usually isolated by natural or geographical barriers. Example of such species are Andaman teal, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman wild pig, Mithun in Arunachal Pradesh. Now coming to the extinct species, these are the species which are not found after searches of known or likely areas where they may occur. A species may be extinct from a local area, region, country, continent or entire earth. Now the example of such species are Asiatic cheetah, pink head duck. So this is the classification of the species. Now, where did the Asiatic cheetah go? The world's fastest land mammal, cheetah is unique and specialized member of cat family, and it can move at a speed of 112 km per hour. Cheetah is often mistaken for a leopard, and it has got distinguishing marks which are the long teardrop shaped lines on each side of the nose from the corner of its eyes to its mouth. And prior to the 20th century, cheetahs were widely distributed throughout Africa and Asia. Now the Asian cheetah is nearly extinct due to a decline of available habitat and prey. The species was declared extinct in India long back in 1952. Now there are some negative factors which are responsible for the cause of the extinction of this species. So there are some negative factors that cause depletion of the flora and fauna. If you look around, you will be able to find out how we have transformed nature into a resource obtaining directly and indirectly from the forest and wildlife. Wood, barks, leaves, rubber, medicine, dyes, food, fuel, fodder, manure. We use it for ourselves, right? And because of which our forest and wildlife has got depleted. The greatest damage inflicted on Indian forest was during the colonial period due to the expansion of the railways, agriculture, commercial and industry, and the mining activities. Even after independence, agricultural expansion continues to be one of the major causes of depletion of forest resources. Between 1951 and 1980, according to the Forest Survey of India, over 26,200 square kilometers of forest area was converted into agricultural land all over India. Substantial parts of the tribal belts, especially in the northeastern and central India, have been deforested or degraded by shifting cultivation. And it is a type of slash and burn culture. So this is about the factors which are causing depletion of the flora and fauna. I hope that you are enjoying the video. Stay tuned for more lessons to come. Subscribe for more video updates. It takes a lot of effort to make this video. So I would request that please give your suggestions in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.